Approving free and reduced applications. When you get an application, look at three things first. Is there a SNAP number? Are the last four digits of the Social Security number included, or did they indicate they do not have a Social Security number? Is it signed? These are very important. If there is a SNAP number on the application is approvable. If there is no SNAP number on the application, is there a Social Security number or an indication they don't have a Social Security number? And is the application signed? After you check the first three things on an application that are very important, check to see that the number of family members match the actual number of names on the application. Missing names and whether they receive income must be added to the application. Make sure you write any information on an application in another color ink with your initials and the date you spoke to them. Next, you will check the income. Check the amount of income and the frequency that is listed. Is the income frequency the same? Approve the application using that single frequency. Pay frequencies are how often a person gets paid. Weekly would be one time a week, so for example, every Friday. Bi-weekly is every other week, so every other Friday they get paid. 2 times a month would be someone who gets paid on the 1st and the 15th, or the 15th and the last day of the month, and monthly they get paid 1 time a month. This is very important. Multiple pay frequencies require some math. If you have a weekly and monthly amount listed, this is how you would calculate. You take the weekly amount times 52 and multiply that out. Monthly amount, you multiply times 12, and then you add the two together to come up with annual income. Now turn the application over and you're ready to approve. Enter the total from the front of the application, indicate how often you determined it, and the number of household members. This will help you determine free, reduced, or denied on the application. The determining official determines the application. The confirming official is when an app is selected for verifying. Somebody has to do a second check on the application. The verifying official is the person who verified and checked the records when they came in. Yay, you've approved your first application.
Idaho Child Nutrition Programs is an equal opportunity provider.